Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. Check it out. I got my Johnny Bravo t-shirt on. We are going to talk about the Brady Bunch. We're going to talk about Barry Williams being on Dancing with the Stars, which, by the way, I am so excited about this. Something good on TV. And we're going to figure out what the Brady men are wearing in the Bath & Body Works men's care collection, which, by the way, is on sale today. I'm like, that's so cool. So I picked out a few scents. Oh my gosh. So first of all, I gotta say, I'm a huge Brady Bunch fan. I'm a huge Dancing with the Stars fan. Like I said, I would be totally on board with doing Dancing with the Stars if they picked a YouTuber. Like I would be so thrilled to do that. I don't know. I'd probably get voted off first, but you know what? It would be fun. So, I'm a child of the 70s, Gen X. You guys know, I was born in 1970, and the Brady Bunch was literally one of my favorite TV shows. I would just be glued to the TV, and actually Greg was kind of my favorite. So I don't know how this started. I don't know if it was me who bought this, my husband, but somehow Greg Brady ended up in my background. Now I've got Ted Burr. I'm just collecting a whole bunch of interesting things for my background here. But I just love Greg Brady. I've always loved Barry Williams. I think he's a really great guy. And I'm so excited that he's going to be on Dancing with the Stars. We're all going to have to watch it, and then I'm going to talk about it after he performs. I hope he's on a long time, and I hope he wins. This is going to be exciting, you guys. He looks great, by the way. I'm going to put a screenshot up. Barry Williams looks amazing. So the Brady Bunch, yeah. There's nothing more fun than the Brady house. I loved Alice. I loved all of the Brady Bunch episodes. They were just so corny and fun. I loved it too when HGTV, Property Brothers, redid the Brady house. That was so cool. I don't know. I'd totally live in the Brady house. That would be fun. So, oh my gosh, which Brady man is going to wear which product? Mike, Greg, Peter, and Bobby. Which is it going to be, you guys? So, first up, Whiskey Reserve. This one, I don't even have scent notes on here. Oh my gosh, I hate when they do this. They don't have the scent notes on the shower gels. Now I'm going to find Whiskey Reserve. I'm actually not a fan of Whiskey Reserve, by the way. It's not my favorite at all. You know who I think is going to wear Whiskey Reserve? Crisp Apple, Single Malt Whiskey, and White Oak. I think this is all Bobby. I don't know. I think Bobby always felt like he wanted to be a little bit older, being the youngest of the Brady men. And I think he would kind of gravitate towards a little malt whiskey just to make himself feel a little bit older. I don't know. I wasn't a Bobby fan. I was way too old for Bobby. Okay. Next up, Mike. I'm going in order of when I picked these up, not in order of age. Okay, smoked old fashioned, smoked orange bitters, bourbon, vanilla, and cedarwood. I don't know why. I'm pegging Mike as a smoked old fashioned. This smells just a little bit like, an older, kind of sophisticated gentleman with the nice perm going on there. And I think Carol would totally dig smelling a little smoked old fashioned on Mike. I don't know. When I smell this, I just think of Mike Brady. You know what? I kind of think his den would smell like this too. His den's got kind of like that sophisticated vibe. I just thought it was really neat that Mike had like this office/den, and it was such like a weird part of the house. It was like at the bottom of the stairs, remember? And you would go in it, and then like it was open on top to the living room, so like everyone could hear what he was saying in there anyway. But they would always like bring the kids in there, I think, to have like a little talk or something. And it was never messy. It was like always neat. And it was funny because like I think even Carol like knocked when she went in. It was kind of funny. But I feel like the den is going to smell a lot like a smoked old fashioned. Okay, I'm getting off track here. Peter. Oh my gosh. So Peter, I'm going with bourbon for Peter. Notice these are all like alcohol scents. I don't know why. This one is the white pepper, dark amber, and Kentucky oak. I think Peter is trying to get the ladies here, and he's wearing a little bourbon to kind of help him along. I don't know. It's funny. I smelled all these, and like an image of their face just appeared, and I got Peter for bourbon. I do like Peter. Peter was cool, but I liked Greg better. So, what do I think Greg is wearing? Manhattan nightcap. This is the other kind of boozy one that I really think that I think Greg would be. This is totally groovy. I don't know. This is my favorite, and Greg is my favorite. So I don't know. This one is really good, you guys. It's black santal, sweet brandy, and cherry wood. I've actually been using this deodorant, I gotta admit. And it smells like there's a sweetness to it and a little bit of a sophistication. And it's very unisex. I love the cherry note in here. I don't know. I honestly think this is like the best smelling of them all. The other ones smell just a little bit like, I don't know. It's funny. I paired bourbon up, I think, with Han Solo when I did my Star Wars one. And it's funny because Peter's got that kind of vibe to me, you know, just a little bit like, you know, kind of the bad boy of the group. he's trying here, but I mean, they all have those funky perms, and you know, they're all groovy. Honestly, I don't know. I think Greg has got the Manhattan nightcap though. He's doing it. He's actually rocking that cherry and the black santal. I don't know. That's what I get for Greg. Anyway, I thought I'd do a fun little video tonight. I think it's funny. I didn't even realize until after I pulled these that these were all like alcohol scents. Manhattan nightcap, bourbon, old fashioned, smoked old fashioned, and whiskey reserve. I don't know. Were the Brady's drinking and I didn't know it? They could have been. They absolutely could have been. They were having a lot of fun. I wish I had been in the cast. Anyway. I'm so excited for Barry Williams. He definitely deserves it. I'm going to be glued to the TV watching Dancing with the Stars, and I will report back on how I think Barry Greg, call him Barry and Greg, is doing on the show. And you know what? I'm going to find Greg's shoe, which got lost in the mix, but Greg's going to hang out there next to Blair. Blair needs a total makeover. Her hair is all over the place. We got to do something about that. I need to add a couple more figures. So if anyone can think of a good one, I'm going to add a couple more up there. My pop culture collection is growing by the minute. Anyway, don't forget Bath & Body Works is having the $5.95 sale today. So if you want to smell like Peter, Bobby, Greg, or Mike, go for it. Go for it with those men's scents. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.